Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram and learning how to go live. Going live on Instagram is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time, share experiences, and engage with your followers. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. First things first, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your phone. Open the app and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to your home screen. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a camera icon at the top left. Tap on it to open the camera interface. Step 3. Access the live feature. Now, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see various options like normal, create, boomerang, and more. Swipe to the right until you find the live option. Step 4. Set up your live video. Before you go live, take a moment to adjust your settings. You can choose whether to go live with your front or rear camera. Write a compelling title that gives your followers an idea of what your live video is about. You can also add and tag people to notify them that you're live. Step 5. Go live. Once you've set everything up, it's time to go live. Press the Go Live button, and in a few seconds, you'll be live on Instagram. Don't worry, Instagram usually sends a notification to your followers to let them know you're live, so they can join in. Step 6. Interact with your viewers. Now that you're live, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make it a two-way conversation. This is a great opportunity to connect with your audience in real time. Step 7. End your live video. When you're ready to wrap up your live session, click on the End button. Instagram will ask you to confirm, and once you do, your live video will come to an end. You can choose to save the video to your camera roll or share it to your story for 24 hours. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you go live on Instagram. It's a powerful tool to connect with your audience and share your world in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.